If you want to add a donation block on Squarespace, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to place a donation form on your page, customize the button text, and choose the design style that works best for your site. This is a great option for nonprofits, ministries, creators, community groups, or anyone who wants to make it easy for visitors to contribute. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the page where you want the donation form to appear. This could be your homepage, a fundraiser page, a support page, or a dedicated giving page. Once you're on the right page, click Edit in the top left corner of the page preview window. This opens the page editor so you can start adding content. Now look for the Fluid Engine section grid. This is where Squarespace lets you place blocks and arrange your page layout visually. Click the plus icon or the Add Block option, then choose Donation from the block list. Squarespace will insert a donation block into your page, and from here you can begin positioning it exactly where you want it. Next, drag the donation block into place across the background layout grid columns. You can move it left or right, and you can resize it to fit the width you want. This step is important because the placement affects how clean and professional the donation area looks on your page. If you want the block to stand out more, give it a little breathing room. If you want it to blend into the layout, align it with other page elements. After that, open the block settings and find the button text field. By default, Squarespace may show the label as Donate, but you can change it to something more specific and action-focused. For example, you could use Support Our Cause, Give Today, Help Us Grow, or Donate It Now. A more compelling button label can often make the call to action feel warmer and more inviting. Now click the Design tab inside the Donation Block Settings window. This is where you choose how the donation amounts and form will appear on the page. You can select a fully expanded form style, which displays the donation options directly on the page, or you can choose a cleaner collapsed style that hides the details behind a single standalone button. The expanded version is great if you want visitors to see everything at a glance, while the collapsed version is useful if you want a simpler, more minimal look. Take a moment to preview both styles and think about your audience. If your page is designed to encourage quick giving, a visible and expanded layout may work better. If your page already has a lot of content and you want the donation option to feel subtle, the collapsed button style may be the better choice. The key is to match the block style to the overall design of your site. Once you're happy with the layout, label, and design, save your changes and preview the page on desktop and mobile to make sure everything looks polished. Check that the block is easy to find, the wording is clear, and the donation action feels natural for your visitors. And that's how you use donation blocks on Squarespace. It's a simple process, but when set up well, it can make a big difference in how easy it is for people to support your work. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step Squarespace guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.